Farming and the agri-food industry in general are vital to Ireland's success, both socially and economically. And in this election, Fianna Fáil are putting forward a very ambitious programme for delivery to ensure the future of this most important indigenous industry. We must be absolutely clear in terms of our commitment in supporting good incomes and secure markets. Protecting all of our farming sector is a priority very much for me and for Fianna Fáil. And I think it is time that we introduce a radical new approach to helping farmers, not just providing advice, but direct assistance in assessing and implementing the schemes. As part of this, we must ensure that farmers don't have the endless amount of bureaucracy that they're now experiencing. It's important that we streamline that bureaucracy. We help and we work with farmers to reduce the amount of administration, because people and farmers are very, very frustrated by that. And I think it's a vital piece that we are committing into the future in reducing the amount of red tape and bureaucracy to ensure that farmers can continue to do what they do best, farm and produce quality food that is renowned the world over.